Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape this oven baked egg rolls. I have some sieved flour, pinch of baking powder, pinch of salt, 3 teaspoons of sugar. I gave it a good stir. I added my melted margarine, 1 egg, warm milk. So I'm just going to mix and mix and mix until everything comes together. I set aside. Now I'll cook my egg. I cooked it 8 to 10 minutes. So here it is cooked. I will remove the shells and we are going to work with our hands. So now I rub my palm with oil, cooking oil. So I'll just continue the rolling until I am done with the eggs. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep returning, keep commenting, keep liking, keep sharing. And the good Lord bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please join the family by subscribing and turn on your post notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So if you are the type that don't like frying always, so this recipe is for you. If you don't want to fry your egg roll, so what am I trying to say? You can also bake your egg roll without frying them. So once I am done with it, I'm going to egg wash my egg rolls. In there I have 1 egg and a spoon of milk, just to give it that shiny look. So I preheated my oven to 150 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. So now I'll pop them to my oven. So here it is, the outcome. I'll just cut it soft in the inside, crunching the outside. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.